You cannot create videos from Grok using your real voice. I created this particular video from Grok and I used my real voice for it. So in this video, I will teach you how I did it. Just going to come over to Grok AI. So once you get to Grok AI, you're going to click on this Imagine. So you're just going to go over to this Imagine. Once you get to Imagine, you come to this place. Now you're going to impute your image. Now we just imputed our image. So now I'm just going to drop this prompt for Grok. She says in this video, you will learn how to create Grok video with your real voice. So I'm just going to let it load. Then I'm going to say the video is going to create for me. So before I'll take the video to the app that will create the real voice for us.
In this video, you will learn how to create Grok videos with your real voice. In this video, you will learn how to create Grok videos with your real voice. In this video, you will learn how to create Grok videos with your real voice.
Now you just come over to this place and click on download. Now once you are done downloading it, you are going to take the video to the other app we are going to use to change the voice to our real voice. Now the AI tool that we are going to be using is called Dream Face. So we are going to search on Dream Face. So mine is currently on desktop side. So I'm just going to remove it from desktop side. Now this is it. I'm just going to click on it. Dream Face AI tools. Now if you are here to sign up, you can sign up from here. So these are some of the videos I created before. If you have created videos before, you start seeing them here. But if you are here to create videos, just come over to this place and sign up. Then you see that your own is empty. Now the next thing you will do is to come to this place, this plus button. Click on the plus button. Now you are going to bring that video that you generated from Grok. So you're just going to let it load. So now once it is done loading, you are going to come over to this place where they wrote want avatar to say. So you come over to that place where they wrote want avatar to say. Now you come to this part where they wrote audio. Click on audio. Now you can either if you want, you can either use text, but we want it to be our real voice. So we'll just come to this place. So just come to this record. Click on the record. Now once you click on record, you come to this part, this microphone part. Then you can record anything that you want to record. But I already recorded the audio that I want to use here. So if you've not recorded it, I will advise you to record your audio first. So that once you just come, you just click on audio. So if you want to record, you click on this microphone button here. Then it's going to start recording for you. So for me, I don't want to record. So I'll just go back. Then I will come to this part where they wrote upload audio or video. So I'm just going to click on that one, or upload audio or video. Now I will come to this part. So I'm just going to look for my audio. Okay, so this is my audio. So I'm just going to let it load. Now we are just going to play it. I'm going to play it and listen to it.
In this video, you will learn how to create Grok videos with your real voice.
So now once I get to my recorded audios, so this is the particular one. So I will just click on it. So you cannot create videos from Grok using your real voice. I created this particular video from Grok and I used my real voice for it. So in this video, I will teach you how I did it. So now this is it. So I just sent it here. Now let's play it and hear the voice. You cannot create videos from Grok using your real voice. I created this particular video from Grok and I used my real voice for it. So in this video, I will teach you how I did it. Now you come to this part where they wrote confirm. So you're just going to click on it. Note that I'm using the free version. So you can use the pro version, but I'm using the free version. So I'll just click on confirm. Now once I click on confirm, I'm just going to come to this place and click on generate. So note that they will only give you about 10 credits per week. So if you have exhausted your credit, you can upgrade to the pro version. But I'm using the free version, so I'll just click on generate. So now you can see I'm just going to let it generate. I'm going to give you some time to generate. So now we are going to play the video and let's hear it. So now let's play it. So now let's play it and let's see how it is. You cannot create videos from Grok using your real voice. I created this particular video from Grok and I used my real voice for it. So in this video, I will teach you how I did it. So now you see it's perfect, like it's perfect. So now all we are going to do, because we are using the pro version, that's why you are seeing that dream face right up on it. So we can just go to CapCut and crop it out. But if you're using the pro version, you're not going to see that on it. So that's because we are using the free version. That's why you are seeing it. So we'll just go to CapCut and let's crop out that part. Now once you get to CapCut, click on select the video. Now you're just going to go to crop. So let's try the aspect ratio part first. So let's see if it's going to crop it out. Now we're just going to zoom it and bring it like this. You cannot create videos from Grok using your real voice. I created this particular video from Grok and I used my real voice for it. So in this video, I will teach you how I did it. So now you see. So once you are done, I'm just going to click on, you're just going to come over to this part. Then you're going to click on export to export your video. So now before you export, let's just go back. So let's say you can just decide to add captions to it to make it look more unique. So you can just decide to add auto captions to it. So let's choose our auto caption that we want to use. So let's say we want to use this particular one. Just click on generate. So now you see. So all we are just going to do is to click on it. So let's just edit the caption. So let's look for fonts. So click on elegant. Now we'll go to styles. Then we'll use this one. Now you see it's looking much better. So let's play it. You cannot create videos from Grok using your real voice. I created this particular video from Grok and I used my real voice for it. So in this video, I will teach you how I did it. So now you're just going to increase the volume. Increase it to 100. You cannot create videos from Grok using your real voice. I created this particular video from Grok and I used. So if you notice, you'll be hearing sound from the background. All you are just going to do is to come over to this reduce noise and click on. You cannot create videos from Grok. Now once you are done, you cannot export your video. So that's it.
This is how you can create videos with your real voice using Grok. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I will see you in my next one.